Hello everyone, my name is Sagar Pudale. I am an English teacher in Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. I teach for class 4. In today's video, we are going to see degrees of comparison. So let's start. Well, whenever we go to the market and want to purchase the things, before purchasing what comes? Obviously the comparison. If I want to purchase a pen, then obviously I will compare one pen with another pen. What is the quality of that pen, size, color? So comparison is our everyday thing. And to compare the things, what we need? Adjectives. We compare the things using the adjectives. And there comes our degrees of comparison. So comparative adjectives help us to compare two persons, two things, two ideas, two places, and more than this. Let's have an example. To my one side, I have one insect which is in black color, and to the other side, I have one insect which is in brown color. This one is small, this one is small, but the black one is smaller compared to this one. So here I am comparing their size. So I can say the black is an ant. So I can say that the ant is smaller than the beetle. Ant is smaller than the beetle. So I'm doing a comparison. Before doing a comparison, we need the comparative form of adjectives. So before learning how to use the comparative adjectives in a sentence, we need to understand how to make comparative form of adjectives. So let's start with that. How do we build comparative forms of adjectives? There are many ways. We'll start with the simple one. First way is if the adjective is short one, short adjective, just then add er at the end. For example, here I have written old, short adjective. Comparative form will be older, old, older. Same for young, small one. Just add er at the end, it will become younger. So I have written the word letters as it is. At the end, added er. Old, older, young, younger, clever, cleverer, smart, smarter. This tall, taller. So one way is add er at the end. But what if the word has structure like this? CVC, and you are adding er at the end, then the final consonant is doubled. What is the meaning of this? If the word has only three letters, first letter is consonant, middle one is the vowel, and then the consonant. Then you have to repeat that consonant once more before adding the er. For example, big, bigger, hot, hotter. And here we have three letters. In one word, we have three letters. First one is the consonant, middle one is a vowel, that is R, then again a consonant. So before adding ER, I have just doubled the G, bigger, hotter. So be careful with these words, CVC. If the word ends with Y, if it's an adjective, it's a short one, it's ending in Y, then same like plural, Y will become I, then you have to add ER. Easy, easier, heavy, heavier, funny, funnier. This Y will become R and then ER. Simple as. What if the word adjective is not short but a big one? Then you have to use the word more. Don't add ER but use more before long adjectives. For example, exciting, more exciting, beautiful, more beautiful, important, more important, dangerous, more dangerous, significant, more significant. Long adjective, I'm saying in a simple language. The rule is if the word has syllables more than two. Syllables, let's consider if there are vowels more than two. Just count the vowels. Beautiful. This word, how many vowels it has? E, A, U, I, U. Vowels more than two. So if it has vowels more than two, then use more. These are some rules to make comparative form of the adjectives. Just add er. If word has three letters, consonant, vowel, consonant, then the last letter you have to double and then add er. If the word ends with y, like easy, heavy, funny, then that y will become I and then er. If the word has vowels more than two, if it's a big word, then add more. More exciting, more beautiful, more significant, more important, blah blah blah. Okay. These are the regular adjectives, the adjectives which follow all these rules, one, two, three, and four, we can say, they are called as regular adjectives, the one which are following the rules. But there are some adjectives which don't follow the rules. They are called as irregular adjectives. They have separate forms. They don't get er, more, y into I. No. Good, I can't say gooder. It has to be better. Bad, I can't say badder. It has to be worse. Clear? Otherwise, you think that B is a consonant, A is a vowel, D is a consonant, make D doubles. No, not at all. These words don't follow the rules. At the end, we'll see how many irregular adjectives are there, and you have to just practice the irregular adjectives. Regular adjectives, easy to remember. Good, better, bad, worse. Then you can say late, later, far, further. These are the some examples of irregular adjectives. Whenever we use comparative adjectives, after them we use than. For example, John is taller than Mary because we are comparing John and Mary, their height. So I will say John is taller than. Same way, a Ferrari is more expensive than a Fiat. Two cars we are comparing. Expensive, this word is a long, big adjective. So vowels more than two. So I have used more. A Ferrari is more expensive than a Fiat. Today we'll stop. In the next video, we'll go ahead with few more examples. Thank you for your time.